Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Adobe subscription plan. You might be paying on monthly basis or annual basis, but you want to stop right now. For that, just click on this Adobe Creative Cloud. If you don't have this app, then you can visit on the website and you can type Adobe Creative Cloud, and there you will find an icon like this, your account icon. Click over this and there is Adobe account. Just click over it and here a new page will be opened. You can see here. Now sign in with your Adobe account. So once you sign in, there will get an option to cancel this plan. Because what happens once you do the subscription, in every month your money will be deducted from your account without notifying it, so you need to stop it. So there is a option. I am using this photography plan. You can see here my account information is given and Adobe company is deducting money on monthly basis. So click on manage plan and here you can see this change plan or cancel plan. Here you can see my billing history. I am paying on monthly basis. On every month it is deducting this much of amount from my account, so I am going to cancel this. So cancel plan, and here you need to give some reason, feedback, details, offers, review. And so why do you want to cancel? I'm looking to change my plan, is too expensive. I'm not using the product often enough. Like this, you can give your issue here and then continue. So once you cancel this, you need to pay this much of amount. This is a penalty fee, and this you agree when you took this subscription, so you must have to pay this much, because they will deduct from your account directly without asking your permission. So after that, click on continue and get your next 2 months free and save this much. So they are giving offer now. You can take this offer, and if I accept offer, what it would be, you are all set for you save of your current plan. And now after redemption of offer, go to change your plan once again and do the cancellation. And by doing this, you can save some penalty amount. See, before they were asking to pay 3,589.56 rupees, and now they are asking for 2,791.88 rupees. So you are saving some amount of penalty by doing this process. Here you can see, Mansur, before you decide to cancel, consider this offer. What a different plan. We don't need any offer, just I want to cancel it. So click on no thanks. You will be an yearly termination free charge to your Visa card. So this much amount they will deduct from my account, and confirm it. Your plan was cancelled. Confirm this. Check your mail for more details. So I already cancelled my subscription plan. So after deactivation, you can see they sent one mail here. We have processed your cancellation request. Your service will end on 3rd January 2020. After that, your account will revert to a basic free level of membership. Free membership retain limited access to Creative Cloud services. So completely I deactivated it, and they will not deduct any money from my account anymore, but they will take only the penalty amount, and that's it. Hope you like this video. You can subscribe us for more updates. Have a great day.